Assalamu alaikum. Hello to all super mamas. Welcome to All in One Naveera's channel. Today I will teach you about homeschooling curriculum and all about homeschooling. So let me first thanks to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you all of you for subscribing me. I have received many comments and emails related to the curriculum of homeschooling. I have seen many mothers are confusing with these questions, like when we start homeschooling, which curriculum we should follow, how to start homeschooling, why homeschooling is good compared to proper schooling system, and many more questions I received. So today I will clear all the doubt of mamas. So let's start it. First question is, homeschooling is good as why homeschooling is good as compared to ordinary school, yeah, we can say proper school system. So the main point is, we are not trying to do school at home, we are trying to do homeschool. These are two entirely different propositions. We are not trying to replicate the time, style, content of the classroom. Rather, we are trying to cultivate a lifestyle of learning, in which learning takes place from morning until bedtime, 7 days each week. The formal portion of each teaching day is just the tip of the iceberg. Second reason is, during this pandemic of coronavirus, it is quite risky to send our little flowers, our child, to school. Third reason is, we all know that highly reputed schools are too much expensive and everyone can't afford it for their child. And the school which everyone can afford is not providing that quality of education which we desire for our kids. Fourth reason is, toddler of 2 to 4 years or below the 2 years age are too small to stay without her mamas. So when mothers drop their child, he or she starts crying and stay upset all the time. We can't even imagine, but the schooling system from very short age creates many psychological issues in our toddlers. Now come to the next questions, which is, from which age we should start homeschooling. So simply, when your infant is able to sit, which is when they are 6 months old, you should start homeschooling by recognition method, like put flashcards of different animals, different fruits, different birds in front of your infants and say, wow, apple, it's apple, it's yummy apple. Or you can say, it's cat, you love cat, na, it's cat. Soon your infant will develop this recognition skill, and then he or she is able to recognize it by herself. Okay, now come to the next point. We have to do homeschooling by like start books and other things to our toddlers. Third question is, which material we should buy. So it's my recommendation to buy these kinds, such kind of books having all the things, having all the things, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, flowers, shapes, transport, and many more. Simply, a library is available in the market having 12 books in one library box. Its price may be, Pakistani price may be 1,200 to 1,200, in the range of 1,200 or 1,000. Okay, you can easily buy it from the market. I also buy these mini library for my daughter, and it's good. It's cover all the things. Or you can buy storybooks, you can buy other books, storybooks, puzzle games, buy educated toy, means puzzle and building blocks and all that. You have to do some activities related to shape recognition, color recognition. Briefly, videos uploaded on my channel related to these books and these color and shapes activities. I will upload more soon, inshallah. Question number 4. Now come to the question number 4, which is, at which age we should stop homeschooling and settle later on to the proper schooling system. So my advice is to do homeschool until your child is 6 years old, then send them to the proper school in grade 1. After sending to school, don't be relaxed. Teach your child same as you was doing before, you was teaching before. Never stop teaching your child. But it's my request to all the mothers that kindly don't send your child to tuition or any academy. Your child can't get good teacher like you. You are the best ever teacher for your child. So please, you don't have any need to send your child to any school or any other thing, any other academy and so on. Now come to the last question, which is which curriculum we should follow for homeschooling our little one. Now let's start curriculum. First we have to discuss about English. Alphabets A to Z. Recognize each letter and related picture, means apple, ba, ball, cat. Recognize sound of the letters a, ba, kha, da, e, fa. Recognizing letter by sorting and matching. You have to put sounds and pictures. Your child will be able to match these lines. Sorting things from the lettered sound, you have to put many things like apple, cat, ball, and then you have to put sound. Your child will be able to put these things by recognizing sound. Now come to the math portion, numbers portion. You have to write A to 10. Your child will be able to write 1 to 10 and 1 to 20. Recognizing number, he must be able to know, recognize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. This 1 to 20 curriculum is for your if your child is 3 to 4 years old, but if it is more than 3 to 4 years old, then he must be able to write 1 to 100. And the same method is same method will be follow, recognizing numbers, recognizing and counting of numbers, sort of numbers, sorting numbers by counting and matching. Now let's come to the GK, general knowledge. Your child should be able to introduce herself, like myself. My name is if he is girl or boy, what's its age. He should be able to introduce herself. Common body parts like eyes, nose, elbow, shoulder, neck and so on. Common fruits name like apple, banana, mango, pineapple, peach, grapes and so on. Common vegetables names: cabbage, cauliflower, onion, garlic, ginger. Common animals name: cow, buffalo, donkey, horse, cat, dog, goat and so on. Common shapes name: I have uploaded a brief video on shape recognition activity. You can check it on my playlist, my channel playlist. Common shapes: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, star, heart. Common colors name: I will upload a video on colors recognition activity inshallah soon. My next video will be on this color recognition activity. Common colors: red, blue, white, black, green, purple, yellow, orange. Common nursery rhymes: baby shark, do do do, twinkle twinkle little star, baba black sheep and many more. Pre-acting activities means he is able to hold copy and book while he or she starts writing. Coloring and scribbling: put crayons color, jumbo crayons color to your give jumbo crayons color to your child, so he will able to color it properly. Written parts: if we talk about written parts, so he must be able to draw standing lines up to down and down to up, and slipping lines left to right, right to left. This pattern are showing on your screen. You can easily see, watch it. Slanting lines: right, left, reverse. Curved lines: left, right, down, left C, right, opposite of C, up U, down, opposite of U. All these patterns are given on your screen. You can easily watch it. If we talk about activities for moms who are doing homeschooling to their kids, activities for play group are given below. Gross motor skills developed through games, activities like climbing, running, jumping, crawling, balancing, pushing and pulling toys. Eye-hand coordination and muscle strengthening activity are played where movement is connected with this some object. Activities such as kicking, throwing, catching a ball is done. Fine motor skills are developed with threading large beads, plastic shapes, pattern making, coloring, jumbo coloring, hand palm, finger printing, vegetable printing, paper printing, paper tearing, and gives perfection to these skills. 5 activity: art and craft activity like pasting paper, making collages, paper folding like make a fan, finger painting and painting with long free hand drawing, and stencil drawing is done with them. Activity number 6: crushing play, dove. Clay modeling, sand and water play is enjoyable through sand pit. Material like cup, spoon, bottle, lid, funnel, etc. are provided. Puzzle for various types starts from maximum 2 to 5 pieces of puzzles, animals, food, transport, etc. Soon you have to increase the number of pieces of puzzles if your child is 5 to 6 year old and so on. Building blocks, build tower with 4 to 6 and more. Activity number 8, memory games with 2 to 3 objects are hidden. These improve retention and recalling ability. Concept formation is done by making the children aware of all primary and secondary colors. This is done through various matching, sorting objects with different colors, painting and worksheets. Pre-number concept of size, big, small, large, short, matching games, sense of touch, identify and distinguish between rough and smooth surface. Pre-writing skills. These activities prepare the preschool for holding pencil, balancing notebook or worksheet. Activity number 12, pre-reading skills. These activities prepare them for identify the alphabet and their phonics with the help of educational charts, reading books and flashcards. Children learn to balance and coordinate their body movement with music, singing, children rhymes, etc. games and gym. Improve listening skills through storytelling, rhymes, action, songs, role play. Making them aware of sounds from nature and environment, identifying sounds of various musical instruments like drum and shakers. To improve and develop vocabulary with proper pronunciation, simple vocabulary related to self, family, friends, home, household object, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, etc. Vocabulary related to environment, sun, moon, sky, star, water, etc. Then is reading is done through real pictures of flashcards. Develop ability to differentiate between various tastes. We sharpen the sense of taste by providing different food with different tastes such as lime, tamarind, salt, neem, sugar, etc. Smell, identifying and distinguish different smells. Sweet smell of fall odor. We provide various leaves, curry, mint leaves, fruits and food essence in order to make them understand the good and bad smell. Activity number 8, sorting and classifying leaves, flower, twigs, arranging sticks, leaves, pebbles, beads, seeds, flashcards with alphabet, number, color, shapes is done. Personal hygiene and cleanliness is taught to them. Proper use of toilet, hand wash, placing things in its place, identifying your own school bag and other things. To understand the importance of good hygienic, proper food habit, eating healthy food and sharing and caring. Learning to fold to survive in eating with a spoon and fork is encouraged. Good social manners, respect others and their belongings, cooperate with teacher, parent is taught by parents. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please give your reviews in comment section. If you have any query related to homeschooling, then comment below. I will guide you by making video or by commenting on your by replying your comments. Please I need your support to grow my channel. I have lots of activities for you to share with you guys, but the only thing which I want from you guys are your support. Please support me in growing my channel by subscribing and sharing it as well. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our next video. Allah Hafiz.